So today we're playing Friends Rush, Art Lake Rush, you know. So we're getting our daily reward of 102. Wow, what a way to laugh, Ethan. Stephanie's got a broken car. How do we... So we unlock Stephanie's car, which is amazing.
Wow! Hey!
What's so funny, Ethan? Let's go and use Stephanie for this race. This is fun. It's doing Subway Surfers, except you're in a Lego world and you have a car. Oh great, I didn't do good. That's made of Legos. Let's go again with Stephanie. Okay, we got a bigger car. It's getting... Oh, what did I do? It was a Barbie car and I just ruined it in an instant. Oh well. Okay. Look in front of you, Stephanie. Oh wow, this is amazing. How about this? We're in the sky. How awesome is that? Having this rocket is amazing. Okay, guys. To a fancy Barbie car. What's happening? I am confused. Don't you have a fancy car? Is that it? That's what's happening. Another flying fish. Oh, amazing. What do you do even price for? It's like a Barbie, having a toy of this collection. Really nice. Well, I'm excited. Guys, that's why I am sure that I won't be able to beat this score. Wow, that's slow. Lego trees. Of course. This is not the highest score yet. Look at the ice cream. Hello. Looking in front of you. Oh man. I'll play with Ethan, but we got some new additions to Stephanie, and I kind of want to see what they do, so Stephanie it is. I don't know what this thing behind her is used for. It's just a Lego piece hanging by the side. It doesn't seem like much to me. Okay, Stephanie. Okay, what's so funny? Ethan. Let's go, Ethan. Let's see how we do. It's always a little better than Stephanie. Which I doubt. It'd be so fun riding this. Honestly, I'm so down for having a Lego car and riding it in Lego Land. What a life. I'm jealous of Ethan's life. Wow, new car. Who is this? Looks too low. I got flowers for Stephanie. This is hard. Suddenly giving Ethan the hardest battle, then Stephanie just the flying thing. Okay, I'm kind of thinking some discrimination. But oh well. Oh, fine. We're gonna give him one more go. Wondering why they didn't give Ethan this flying rocket before. Giving Ethan your hardest battle. What did the balloon do? About the firecrackers. The balloon just pops. That makes me very happy. Oh, what a Lego car. Whoops.